Hey everyone, welcome to my channel and my name's Kendra. Today's video is strictly for the abdominal wall. So we're going to fire up our core. This is a quick routine to get your blood pumping and start to work the core muscles. This is a great thing to do after an already existing workout that you've already done, or maybe you're just getting back into a workout routine, so this is great for that as well. So whenever you're ready, let's get started. Begin on our hands and knees in the tabletop position. Before we get started working our abs, let's warm up a little bit. So as you exhale, allow the sits bones to tuck, round the spine, and move the chin down towards the chest. Inhale, let the sits bones rise, belly drops, chest and head lengthen forward. Exhale, rounding back. Inhale, lengthen. Good. Exhale, pausing in a neutral spine. Ground into the hands. Make sure that the knees are directly underneath the hips. Inhale, extend the right leg out behind you. Flex the right foot, keeping the hips level. Good. Make very small movements with the right leg. Nice small circles. Drawing the belly button in towards the spine. Squeezing that right glute. Pause at center. Right leg extends out behind you. Ground into the right hand. Inhale, extend the left arm out in front of you. Left shoulder draws out and down. Imagine that you're trying to reach for something with the left arm and kicking something back with the right leg. Keep the gaze looking down towards the floor, back of the neck nice and long. Breathing. Exhale, ground the left hand, ground the right knee onto the mat. Inhale, extend the left leg out behind you. Flex the left foot, pressing back through the left heel. Hips level, grounding into the hands. Core is engaged. Start to make your small, slow circles with the left leg. Going the opposite way with the movement. Pausing at center. Ground into the left hand. Inhale, extend the right arm out in front of you. Reach the right fingertips forward, reaching the left foot back. Draw the belly button in. Exhale, release the right hand down, ground the left knee. Take a second to sway the hips from left to right, going back and forth a couple times. Coming back to neutral, tuck your toes. Now keep grounding into all 10 fingers. Feel yourself press into the palms. The shoulder blades are drawing out and down your back. Drawing the navel in, low rib cage tucks down. Your hips are level. Inhale. Exhale, lift the knees a couple inches off of the mat. Good. Keep the spine nice and long. You want to imagine that you could eat dinner off of your back. So it's nice and long. the natural curve in the lumbar spine. Don't forget to breathe. Two more breaths. Exhale, slowly release the knees down, untuck your toes. Good, now tuck your toes once again. Inhale, lift the knees back up off the mat. Open up the feet a little bit wider than hip width apart. Ground into the left hand, place the right hand on the front of the shoulder. Keep the body parallel to the floor. Exhale, release the right hand down. Inhale, lift the left hand touching the front of the right shoulder. Exhale, down. Opposite side. Try to keep the body as still as possible as you're moving the hand. Exhale, down. Left hand on the front of the right shoulder. Breathe deeply. Exhale, left hand down. Slowly release the knees, untuck your toes. Press back into your child's pose for a second, settling the sits bones back towards the heels, forehead rests on the floor. Good. Inhale, come all the way up. And let's make our way onto our backs. Coming all the way down. When you get there, the knees are bent, feet grounded on the mat. Take the arms, lengthening down towards your torso. Ground the palms. As you inhale, lift the feet off of the mat. Bending the knees, so now you have a 90-degree bend in the knees. Draw the navel down. Keep the knees stacked on top of the hips. Shoulder blades grounding on the mat, low back grounding on the mat. Taking a couple breaths here. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the ceiling. Maybe you stay right here. If this is enough for you, stay right here. Or if you want to go a little bit farther, keep the low back flush with the mat, and as you inhale, lift the right arm up overhead. Exhale the left leg down towards the floor, pausing right before it hits the mat. Inhale, carry the left leg back, right arm up. Exhale, left arm up overhead, right leg back. Pausing before the arm and the leg hit the floor. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, opposite way. So as you go back and forth, inhale, back up. Keep the low back grounding on the floor. Move nice and slow. Draw the belly down. Follow your breath. Good. Pause at center. Exhale, release the legs. Hug the knees in towards the chest. Good work. Exhale, ground the feet onto the mat. Release the arms. Place the fingertips behind the ears. cross the left ankle on top of the right thigh. Flex the left foot, left knee opening up towards the left. Inhale fully. Exhale, lift the back of the head and the shoulder blades off of the mat. Keep space in between the top of the chin and the chest. Gaze looking up towards the ceiling. Exhale, slowly release the shoulder blades and the head onto the mat. Inhale. Exhale, come back up. Inhale down. Exhale, come back up. Inhale down. Exhale, lift up. Stay here. Now lift the right elbow towards the left knee. Try to keep the shoulder blades lifting. Inhale back through center. Exhale, release down. The right ankle on top of the left thigh. Fingertips are behind the ears. Inhale fully. Exhale, slowly lift the back of the head and the shoulder blades off of the mat. Draw the navel in. Holding here. Exhale, release down. Inhale fully. Exhale, lift up, squeezing the core. Focus your mind on the abdominals. Feel the muscles working. Keep the head and the shoulder blades lifted off the mat. Start to move the left elbow towards the right knee. Inhale back through center. Exhale, release down. One more big inhale. Exhale, lift up. Elbow towards knee. Come back through center. Hold here. Exhale, release down. Uncross the right leg from the left. Good. Arms are lengthening down towards your torso. Ground the palms. Inhale, carry both legs up. Flex all 10 toes back towards your nose. Carry the arms up towards the ceiling. As you exhale, once again, lift the back of the head and the shoulder blades off of the mat. Reach for the toes. See if you can lift a little bit higher. Good, and we'll do 10 pulses. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold, breathing. Exhale, release everything down, hug the knees in towards the chest. Beautiful work. Exhale, release the feet, ground the feet onto the mat. You can release the arms. That's it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this quick abdominal work. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and see you in the next video.